Hi, I'm Sam from Dove Cottage, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing a bit of a different video. I thought I would show you 3 completely different ways to style a bookcase. So in my lounge, as you can see, I have this really boring, standard basic IKEA Homebase bookcase, and I'm constantly faffing with it. I can never get it quite right, so what I thought I would do is take everything off and style it again from scratch in 3 completely different looks. So there you have it, I hope you enjoyed that. Comment below and let me know what your favourite look was out of the 3, and I'll also link as many of the items that I can below too. Hopefully see you next time.